Hi, I'm Dr. Rashmin Adesara. I'm a family medicine and I'm also a wound care expert. And I've been with community since 2015. During my, junior high school year, my neighbor across the street going through the med school, and I saw him, playing or studying with his, skeleton, and I think, since then, it looked amazing, and I thought that, I will be a doctor down the road. And since then, I started taking interest. In school, I was getting really good interest in biology and math. But after that the experience, I started more toward the biology and wanted to become doctor. Nobody in my family went to med school or any high school or college, I would say. So I was the first one in my family went to college, and so I had clean slate. I wanted to. I mean, my parents says do whatever you want to do, and I took interest in medicine. I am interested in treating patients with obesity, diabetes, and I'm also wound care specialist. So I can help my patient with diabetes to educate them so they don't get any foot ulcers or diabetic related complications. So I did my med school from India, and I came to US in 2003. Before I came to US, I practiced in India as a primary care for 5 years. And before I joined community, I was practicing in St. Louis as a primary care and wound care for almost 5 years. So altogether, I lost count. So 8 years here, 5 years in St. Louis, and 5 years, back home. So about 18 years practicing as a primary care. I believe, I can take, my patient as a whole and try to treat everything rather than just, isolating, certain parts. And, that's my, that's my interest in medicine. So outside, work, I have a beautiful wife. So I like to spend time with her. I have 2 kids. My daughter, she's 18, just graduated from high school, and she's heading to Purdue. And I have a son who's 14-year-old, and he likes all the sports, football, ice hockey. We never played ice hockey, and I never followed ice hockey. I don't know how he got the interest, but I like to talk to him regarding all the sports, and it's they bring smile to my face. I'm Dr. Rashmin Adesara. I'm a family medicine and I'm also a wound care expert, and I've been with community since 2015.